Oh my god.
Oh, stop. Oh, stop. It's in the corner of the mouth.
No fish on the privateers. Okay, we're gonna go back up there. Just hooked 2 off the buoy. I don't know if he'll come back for it after he got hooked. There's definitely a couple fish with this too. There he is. It's not a good one here, I'll take it. There we go. Oh my god, it actually might be a 40-inch. Here, I'll net it. Here, I'm just gonna head so hard. Is it good? Just don't drop the camera. Get us a little rat early morning. Skunk off the boat, boy. Phew! Buoys was the right choice. Now he's gonna freak out. Stop getting my boat, my fucking tail. Little early morning rat. But hey, that's one fish in the morning, and there's fish on these buoys. We're gonna get so many more. Let's send her back. Maybe they didn't come up on that one. Mama. Oh, you gotta get it. He's trying to get back to the boat. Get out.
Oh my god.
Let me get out of here first, then you can find him. Yep. Lift his head up, slowly reel. Here, I gotta put the camera down. In the net, number 2 of the day. Aiden got himself first Cobia of the year. Little rat, but there's another one on there, and we saw 50 on the other one, so throw him back. Going down the chain. There's a pair, the other one was kind of...
The other one was super small.
It was a rat. We're gonna go check that last baby one more time. He's sitting far down that chain. A big one. Holy shit. Very good. I don't know if he's gonna eat. Did you see him?
No, I didn't see it.
Good one. See a little rudder fish right there?
Yeah. Yeah.
That's a killfish.
Jesus.
Oh, shit. We see him? You see him eat it?
Yeah.
Nice filming, Aiden.
Got me a bunk. Fill that bucket up with water. Blue one. Alright, we're gonna play this fish. Oh my god, lucky.
That's why with a snag rod you only use your 6,000.
I'll catch it. I'll catch this killfish on a 4,000 on my BG.
Is there braid or is it all mono?
No, it's all braid. I just have mono on the snag rig.
How many fish have you guys caught? Exactly! Exactly!
You got him, man. You got him. You got him, Aiden.
That was a really funny joke, dude. You got everyone on that one. There was the magnet right to the back, buddy.
Oh, look at him go.
Oh, he's right here.
You see him? There you can go, Matt. Get a video of that. Oh my god, you just broke.
Carver, bro. It might have been a shark.
Probably got bit by a shark. I hope this isn't a shark. I don't think it is. It's staying deep. I have 20-pound mono on here. It would have broke. And the treble hooks are this big. Just cut the engine off. Oh, we're gonna be fighting this for a while.
I almost, dude, when that fish ate the, it just went straight out and like did not stop
It
going.
scoped up?
Yeah.
Damn.
Like I watched it follow it and it
We have a
smoked
60 pounder. He hooked him. Oh, that's a killfish, kid. There you go. Just keep it tight. Keep him coming this way. What up, sleigh mate? Sleigh mate! That's a big one. This looks so good. There we go. Yep. All right. Yeah. Ooh. Searching the buoys and we finally found one. Feels like a good fish. Ate the bucktail. Saw the pair. I think this one's actually pretty good.
Yeah, it was the bigger out of the two.
Yeah. That Crafty One custom ocean rod putting work in. Ooh, he might not be killfish. Maybe. I think he's small. On a drag. God damn. We're gonna measure this one for sure. He's gonna be close. Yeah. Bring him to the front. Just leave him right here. Just watch your feet. First one of the day. Probably gonna be short, but we're gonna measure him. Little buoy rat, 37 inches. There was a bigger one with him, but we're gonna try to find some more. Killfish, grinding all day, finally. Alright, back to the net. Really hard.
Even cranium damage.
Did you pray today? Did you pray today?
Did you pray today? There it is.
Just the eel that made it up the line.
Wow, big ass cobia right there. Oh my god.
Oh son. Oh son.
It's in the corner of the map. Shit.
That son ain't ready.
He ain't ready. Yes!
Woohoo! Killfish on the privateer.
Oh, the crabs! The eel!
Someone get the crabs! Someone get them!
Kill that Johnson! I think it's dead.
Mother.
Fucking crab!
Someone
The crabs.
Put the net down. Collect the crab. Biggest cobia. Fucking privateer. That's a big one. Look at that son of a.
I sent it one to the group chat.
Big girl. 50-incher. She bleeding. Ate the eel. Let's box him.
Mystery tackle box.
Caught this Johnson on the mystery tackle.
Caught this Johnson on a rattle trap.
Oh, my Arizona's still in there.
Get them all act down. Look at that boy. Cool. Oh, get bad out here, man. Storm's coming in.
Should be dragging this one up. It's like those